Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trail Built and welcome back. Today we are doing another featured rig spotlight, this time on Brett's 2015 Jeep Wrangler JKU Willys Edition. So if you guys are looking for wheels, tires, suspension, make sure and check us out. It's trailbuiltoffroad.com. Also remember to smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. Ready? Let's go. All right guys, so starting right off with Brett's wheel and tire package. Now Brett is running the infamous BFG KO2 all-terrains. These are a 315/70/17, so these are just about a 35-inch tire. Now he's running the rough country 2.5-inch lift, so he does fit almost a 35-inch tire with a 2.5-inch lift. Pretty cool. And then he's running these steel 17-inch wheels as well. And then on the front of Brett's Jeep, he's got this EAG, this front recovery bumper with a Smitty-built 9,500-pound winch to get him out of those precarious situations. Of course, running the LED lights here, the LED light bar on the front, also has these LED cube lights up here as well. So when you're shining down the trails looking for Bigfoot, you can definitely see where you're going. And then you can see he did the cutout here on the fenders as well to give him an extra 2 inches of flexing clearance. And then he's got these limb risers on there. Now, if you didn't watch one of our spotlights, we did cover these limb risers, help keep the branches off of the windshield when running through some of those tight trails. And then too, also around the back here, he did the custom trimming along these fenders as well. Now these are the factory fenders, but when you trim them up like this, you can get a little extra clearance out of running bigger tires on there. So too, with that said, on the back of Brett's Jeep, he's also got this back recovery bumper on here, drop hitch, spare tire carrier. It's got the nice antenna for the CB radio, recovery shackles. Of course, the same size tire and wheels and brand on this side, otherwise it would just be weird, which of course guys, you can find all of this stuff, these BFGs, the rough country suspension, you can all find it on trailbuiltoffroad.com. So now let's go ahead, let's flex this baby out and see what she can do. All right guys, so let's see how well Brett's rig does. Now Brett does still have all of his sway bar links connected, so let's see how we're doing. 21 inches. All right guys, well that has been another featured rig spotlight, this time on Brett's 2015 Jeep Wrangler JKU. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and if you guys haven't already uploaded your rigs to the gallery, it's really easy to do. You just go to trailbuiltoffroad.com, hit the gallery in the menu bar, and follow the options from there. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.